Hi guys, I'm Tanushka Kaur Anand, the Executive Director of Global Panorama Showcase, and I am at EDWIN at Sea at the NCL Cruises Jade. So firstly, I would like to thank Mr. Manoj Singh and Betty Abraham for giving us the privilege to experience this onboard hospitality, which was just an amazing experience. So thank you guys. So we are on NCL since past 6 days and this feels like home because of the great hospitality that the crew has provided us with. So the places that we have visited is Phuket, Penang and Langkawi. It gives an opportunity to all the passengers to get off and enjoy the city for a day and then board the cruise. The Spinnaker's Lounge at the Deck 13 has been a great experience for us. It is good for the people who like to party a lot. By far, the cuisines that this place has offered us is amazing. We have got an opportunity to eat all kind of cuisines on board. Especially for Indians, you have no problem with the Indian food out here. It has been a great experience by far for all of us to party and chill around the cruise. Once again, I would like to thank Team NCL for handcrafting such a great experience for all of us.